Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Wolverhampton eVision account. So let's get started. To log into that account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Wolverhampton eVision login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option, which is from Wolverhampton. And now you can just enter your username and password. Now after entering your username and password, just tap on login, and then you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then just tap on forgotten your password. Now after tapping on that, you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So just do that, and that's it guys. This is how to log into your Wolverhampton eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.